Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number E1786A. 52,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, brilliant black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, including roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, trailering package, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. The additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Along with dual zone automatic temperature control, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive with 4-low. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's material. Auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, sunshade, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee is a 3.6-liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.